what is InsurTech? I'll give you two definitions. First is, InsurTech is a combination of the words insurance and technology. InsurTech refers to the use of technology innovations which are designed to squeeze out the savings and efficiency from the current insurance industry model. Definition number two. InsurTech refers to new insurance technology that improves the customer experience, simplifies policy management, and increases competition. Now you will notice that both of these definitions have something in common, but they're also very different. That's why I use both of them. What they have in common is that InsurTech is, in a simple way, in a basic way, the combination of the words insurance and technology. But beyond that, the definitions are very different. The Investopedia definition is a classic definition from a company that is not really involved in insurance specifically. So it's the old style definition. It is a definition that could have been used for any technology company that helps the insurance industry. In this way, when you look at InsurTech, people might say, well, InsurTech has been around for decades. Over 25 years ago, I used technology to try to create and improve small business enterprises that were trying to buy insurance from AIG. And AIG created a business called AIG Small Business. And we tried to use technology to make AIG's processes friendlier. And some people might say that was InsurTech. We were trying to squeeze out efficiencies in our back office.